फॉर्मूलेज जो है वो रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं विद ट्रायंगल. Triangle. We know the sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. Okay, 3 टाइप्स के ट्रायंगल होते हैं, स्केलर, आइसोसेलेस and equilateral. So in each triangle, sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree, and apart from the sum, we know that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is always equal to, greater than the third side. The sum of any two sides, it is related to side, it is related to angle. Sum of any two sides of a triangle is always, not always, is greater than the third side. Suppose we have this triangle, 3 sides, A, B, C. So when will it be triangle? When A plus B is greater than C, A plus C is greater than B, B plus C is greater than A. So this is related to general triangle. Now we have studied Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, it is related to right angle triangle. And what does it state? It states that the sum of squares of two sides is equal to the square of hypotenuse. So the side which is in front of right angle is hypotenuse, and the sum of squares of these two sides equal to the hypotenuse square. This is Pythagoras theorem. Next is median. What is median? The line joining the midpoint of a sides of a triangle to opposite vertex is called median. Median, हमने पढ़ा है median. What is median? This is a triangle, and if we join the vertex to the midpoint, then this is called the median. This is the midpoint. Let's say now the point where the three medians of a triangle meet. We can draw three medians, and this point is called the centroid. The point where the three median meet is called centroid, and centroid divide the median in the ratio 2:1. Centroid always divide the median in the ratio 2:1. Next is in isosceles triangle. What is isosceles triangle? The triangle in which two sides are equal. In isosceles triangle, the altitude bisect the base. Altitude bisect the base. isosceles triangle में altitude जो है वो base को bisect करता है. Now next is the median of a triangle divided into two triangle of same area. जब भी हम मीडियन ड्रॉ करते हैं तो वो ट्रायंगल को टू इक्वल एरियाज में डिवाइड करता है. The area of a triangle formed by the midpoint of a side of a given triangle is 1/4 of the area of given triangle. Next concept is the sum of exterior angle of a regular polygon. Sum of exterior angle of regular polygon. Exterior angle is always 360 degree, and the sum of interior angle of regular polygon. Polygon, many sides. Poly means many, gon means sides. So those figure having many sides. Polygon is 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. This is the sum of interior angle of regular polygon. Then we have studied number of diagonal. How to find number of diagonals? Number of diagonals in any regular polygon is n minus 3 by 2 is always equal to n minus 3 by 2 into n, where n is number of sides. Suppose we have quadrilateral. Quadrilateral, 4 sides. So number of triangle in quadrilateral will be n minus 3, 4 minus 3, 1 into 4 by 2, that is 2 diagonals. In pentagon, there are 5 sides. 5 sides, so 5 minus 3, 2 into 5 by 2, that is 5. Total number of diagonals will be 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one will be 5. So this is the formula for finding number of diagonal, n minus 3 by 2 into n. Now there are some results on quadrilateral. The first one is related to parallelogram. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. The diagonals of a parallelogram divided into two triangles of same area. The diagonals of a squares are equal and bisect each other at right angle. The diagonal of a rhombus are unequal and bisect each other at right angle. Now some formulas related to area. first of all, rectangle. Rectangle, opposite sides are parallel and equal. This is rectangle. This is length and this is breadth. Okay, so area of rectangle will be length into breadth. Area. Next we will see the perimeter. Perimeter will be twice of L plus B. Perimeter क्या होता है? Sum of boundaries. Okay, this is L, this is B, this is L, this is B. Since opposite sides are equal in rectangle, so perimeter will be twice of L plus B. Next is square. What is square? In which all four sides are equal. So area of square will be side square. Side square, and side is given as A, so area will be A square. Then we have perimeter. Perimeter is sum of all sides. A plus A plus A plus A, that is 4A. This is the perimeter. Now we know this is the diagonal. This is the diagonal. So, and we know each angle is of 90 degree. So applying Pythagoras theorem, we will get A square plus A square is, let's say diagonal we denoted by D square. So 2A square is equal to D square. And A square is nothing but our area. So twice of area equal to D square. So in terms of diagonal, area of square will be half of diagonal square. So this is about square. Next we will see formula related to triangle. Third is triangle. So area of triangle, general formula is half into base into height. Apart from this, we also know one formula known as Heron's formula. This is also used for finding area of triangle. And this formula is under root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. And what is this S? S is semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter, perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle, triangle के 3 sides होते हैं. Side A, B, C, perimeter हो जाएगा sum of sides. So A plus B plus C will be the perimeter. And S is semi-perimeter. Semi means half. So S will be equal to A plus B plus C by 2. And this is the ABC. These are the sides. So this is the general formula. Afterward, we have one formula related to isosceles triangle. Area of isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle in which two sides are equal. So area of isosceles triangle will be equal to half into base into under root of equal side square minus 1 by 4 base square. This is the direct formula for finding area of isosceles triangle. Now next is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, the triangle in which all three sides are equal. So the formula for finding area of equilateral triangle will be area of equilateral triangle. The triangle in which all three sides are equal, known as equilateral triangle, and area is root 3 by 4 into side square. Area of equilateral triangle will be root 3 by 4 into side square. Now we will see the inradius and circumradius. Radius, how to find radius of in circle of a equilateral triangle. इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल है, अगर इसके अंदर सर्कल बना रहे हैं तो ये होता है इन रेडियस. तो इसकी जो रेडियस है वो किस तरह से फाइंड की जाती है? रेडियस इक्वल टू a by root 3. A is the side of equilateral triangle. So how we will find the in radius? By using side divided by root 3. And circumradius is, if we have equilateral triangle and we draw a circle, so this is known as circumcircle and this is circumradius. So this radius of circumcircle will be equal to, radius of in circle होता है a by twice of root 3 and circumradius होती है a by root 3. A by root 3 is circumradius and a by 2 root 3 is in radius. Now next is area related to parallelogram. Area related to parallelogram. Fourth is our parallelogram. The area of parallelogram in which opposite pair of sides are equal and parallel. Area is base into height always. Then we have area of rhombus. Next is rhombus. Rhombus in which four sides are equal. And area of this rhombus is half into product of diagonals. This is one diagonal, this is second diagonal. This is D1, this is D2. So area will be equal to half into product of diagonals. This is the area of rhombus. Next we have trapezium. Trapezium trapezium in which one pair is parallel. This is trapezium and this is the height h. This is the two parallel side. Area of trapezium will be equal to half into sum of parallel side A and B. This is the parallel side. Sum of parallel side into distance between them. Distance between them. इन दोनों के बीच का distance is h. So area of trapezium will be half into a plus b into h. This is the area of trapezium. Next we will see the circle. Area of circle. Seventh one is circle. So area of circle is pi r square. R is the radius. R क्या होता है? Radius. So area is pi r square. Now circumference of circle. Circumference of circle is circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Next we have length of an arc. Length of an arc. Arc क्या होता है? Arc is a part of circle. Let's say this is the arc forming an angle theta. इसकी length क्या होगी? Length of an arc. Length of an arc will be equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. This is the length of arc. Then area of sector. Area of sector. Sector क्या होता है? It is the part of circle formed by two radius and arc. So this is the sector. इसका एरिया होगा थीटा बाय 360 into pi r square. This is the area of sector. Now next is semicircle. Semicircle. Area of semicircle will be pi r square by 2. क्योंकि semi means half. So area will be pi r square by 2 and this is all formula related to area. So in next class we will solve questions related to all this formula. So bye everyone. Bye for now.